I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to check whether the Redmi Note 9 Pro supports the HD videos in the Amazon Prime and Netflix application or not. And before starting the video, friends, if you're watching first time this channel, subscribe to my channel, friends, Sai Tech Guru. And also do check the links in description also for the playlist of Redmi Note 9 Pro. So where you can find plenty of videos which are uploaded, friends, on the device. So even if you want to know what wallpapers I'm using, so which looks very cool for the punch hole displays, similarly like this for the Realme 6 and Redmi Note 9 Pro. So you can check the playlist for the wallpapers as well. So where you can find plenty of useful wallpapers, friends. And let's get started with the test, HD videos test. And at the time of making this video, there is a coronavirus crisis going on, so the HD quality has decreased in the mobile phones. So that's why I'll be showing you the application which it's called TRMF Info. So which is basically used to test whether the phone actually supports the HD videos in the phone or not. So by looking at the security level, if it says L1, that means your phone actually supported with the HD videos, friends, definitely in the Amazon Prime and Netflix as well. And even the good thing is that Redmi Note 9 Pro actually supports the HDR as well, high dynamic range content as well, which is supported. So overall, the Redmi Note 9 Pro actually supports the HD video playback in the Amazon Prime and Netflix, friends. So here you can see clearly. So this is just a short video, friends, which I cannot open the Amazon Prime and Netflix because of the HD quality has decreased in those websites. And for more videos, subscribe to my channel, friends, Sai Tech Guru. And that's it for this video. This is just a short video. So in next video, we'll be meeting, friends. Until then, bye.